So hello everyone, welcome back again in the video. In this tutorial series, we are discussing the Kinter module of Python. And in this video, we will be seeing how to show JPG images in the Kinter GUI application. Hey, in the previous topic, we discussed about the geometry method, title, min size, max size, the label widget to show image, photo image methods and all. And in this video, we are discussing how to show a JPG image in your GUI application. So, and also we will discuss why we use the label widget to show your images, not directly to pack the widget photo image into your GUI application. So first of all, we will be creating a new file of Python. Uh, we will be creating a new file of Python using this. So this is our 5.1, means the part of the fifth video. Here, creating the Python file, and next we will be naming it as Kinter 5.1. So that's why this is the part of the fifth video. That's why I'm calling it the 5.1. So the basic thing what I need to make a GUI application, the basic window. We will be creating the basic window. So what we will be doing, we will be doing the from Kinter and import star. Star stands for the everything. Then the window and the tk instance and the window dot menu. This is the basic code to write into your GUI to make the GUI window. And we will be running, and we had the basic window. And what we need to show the JPG image, as we have earlier seen that the .png format is very constructive because its pixels are high rated, and the PNG file is very good for your photo image things, but still somewhere we had a JPG file, we need to show them into your GUI application. So for this we will be importing a library, that is your PIL. So PIL library. So we had created the basic GUI window, and to show the JPG file into your GUI application, we will be importing a library, that is your Pillow library. So if you had not imported the Pillow library, that I have been already discussed that how to import your libraries using the PyCharm terminal, whether you are using or the desktop terminal or shell. So I have already been imported the library, downloaded the library Pillow. So the short form of Pillow is actually basically PIL. So we will be doing from PIL. So from PIL we will be importing, what we will be importing, we will be importing an image and the image tk method. So write this code into your IDE, and we will be saying that what we could do using this library. So let's give a geometry. So it's window dot geometry. We will be giving the what the ratio you want. I'm giving the 450 cross 344. Let's see how it look like. Yeah, it's nice. It's well. So you need an image to show into your GUI window. So we had an image on our desktop, you can download it from internet. So I have the Tony images, a Tony Stark, the Iron Man. So I'm copying it and pasting into my PyCharm. Yeah, it's naming, it's look here that it's a JPG format. It's a JPG format. So I'm overwriting it. So yeah, I see. Oh yeah, I have already been put that image into my PyCharm. So what we need to do, we need to just declare a variable here, that is your photo equal to image dot open. So using the open method of your image. So in the image method we had already had a method, that is your open, and from the library Pillow. So we will be doing as in the, so in the Kinter module everything is in the double quotes, whether it is your path, whatever it is. So in this we will be calling your Tony.jpg file, and for next we will be doing image is equal to image tk, not at image, it's image tk dot photo image. The photo image method get already been discussed to show the png files into our application photo image, and in the parameter we will be passing the variable photo here, the photo we had imported from your PyCharm. And next what we will be doing, we will be packaging everything, the image, into your label widget. I have already been seen that how to do this in the previous video. So we will be seeing as a label equal to using the label method, and in the as the image variable we will be giving it as image and dot pack. So here's the one liner pack method. You can also do the same, and you can also do it as label dot pack. Here I'm doing like this. If you are not using the variable, then close the variable and label dot pack directly. You can do directly, because if you are not using the variable, so you will be right click here and run. It's boom. You had seen here is the Tony Stark image. So the image file, what I have already shown you, that the format of the file is jpg. If you will put this file format into their png, it will not show. Why? Because for png we have already a method, that is the photo image method from your library Kinter. And also we will be discussing why we are using the label widget to pack your images, because photo image is a method and label is a type of widget. So I have already been told you everything what is in your window is a type of widget. So how you can pack a method to your window? So for this we need to pack the widget, label widget. We need to pack your image into your label widget, that the label widget could show your image into the window. And you can do it same with your the button also. We can, that sometimes you seen that by clicking over an image, the a command function or a particular thing happens. So we will also be creating this type of functionality into your application. By clicking over an image, you will be redirecting somewhere, and what else things are doing. In the previous video we have seen how to show the png image. In this video we have seen how to show jpg image, and this is only to this video. There is a request to you that comment below that how could I improve my video, and what things I need to improve into my video, my voice quality, and all of the other functionality too. And hit the like button to subscribe this channel, and comment below please. It's a request to you that comment below. By commenting you, I could notify that what else things I am losing and what the things I could improve into my video. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet next time.